Easy on the cut.
Remember? Motherfucker never loved souls. Nah, motherfucker never loved souls. Yeah. Black. Motherfucker never loved souls. Nah. Bitch, they used to label all of us broke. I remember that shit, man. Motherfucker never loved souls. Motherfucker. Yeah. Now the same hoes give us throat. Key one, I'm the best you ever heard about. Go Ludacris in this bitch, nigga, word of mouth. Black, bitch never loved me. Now they blowing up my phone, tryna ski. It's all about the money, huh? When I had none, bitches ain't see me, huh? I done spent enough style like a retard, huh? Now it's screaming Key one, you the best, huh? You the best, huh? Suckers wanna beat me. Even with a Navy, they can't seal me. They used to call me dope back in middle school. High school, like I'm back with a big two. Man wanna do the hoes. In the rest, when girls drop their jaws. She give me done fast, they tryna get caught. When we done, keep it moving, no time to talk. Just walk, act like nothing happened. Enterprise nigga, y'all niggas is has-been. I'm what's happening, I'm what's poppin'. I heard of you lately, your shit keep flopping. Who's hot, who not? Tell me who's real, who fake, who's a thought, who's coming up big for the #1 spot. Amazon, still going in like Rich Homie Quan. Still the hottest nigga that's rapping under the sun. Motherfucker hate, but they know I'm #1. Yeah, nigga, it's some real shit, man. Motherfucker never used to love those, nigga. Never, man, never. Now niggas riding, talking about what's up with these old nigga. Oh, I never said we get money, you wanna get down now. You fake, nigga. Yeah, 1804, nigga. I remember they used to call me Bo. I had the same bitch in the hood, give me throat. By my accent, you tell I'm foreign. C&D, everything get foreign. Key one, motherfucker. Key one, motherfucker. Been a G, been a pimp, been a player. Ask around my hood, bitch, I never been a buster. Never was a sucker. All I see is money like I was with Oprah. This floor's poison, they something like Cobra. I'm the real deal, niggas acting like Travolta. On my worst behavior, cause burning up while sipping on my leg. I ain't worrying about my foes, cause I'm throwing dicks at niggas like dominoes. I grab on the mic, do it for the street. From the aim, my A, so I got heat. They counting up my hand, me be my hood. On some young scooter shit, all we do is shoot. Free my nigga CJ, free my nigga Loco, free my nigga Sam, free my nigga CeeLo. Young Spook said he's best, nigga lay low. We all know motherfucker never loves hoes. Say crazy, say crazy, say crazy, whoa. Fuck you niggas, man. Fuck you, bitch. Remember? You know what I'm saying? I had to let that steam off real quick. You feel me? Cause I had to let that shit off, but I can't wait, man. You know what I'm saying? Bel-Air. I'm the man, nigga. I'm the man over here, nigga. I got the flow lock over here, nigga. Yeah, nigga. You know what I'm saying? From North Miami on the east side, nigga. Rich Kids Enterprise, I'm the general. Bitch. I'm a son. Plus your lucky charm. Bitch.